Hello everyone, it's Rochelle here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a wonderful crockpot recipe that is perfect for the cold weather. It is my creamy crockpot white chicken chili recipe. So just to show you guys starting off, these are some of the ingredients I will be using. To begin, I will place my thinly sliced chicken breast in the bottom of my crock pot, and then I will begin to season them. Okay, next I went ahead and drained a 15-ounce can of corn, and then I will add in my diced green chilies. They come in mild, medium, and hot. I always choose mild just because I like the flavor, but I don't really want the spice, but it's up to you. And I have two 4-ounce cans of these. Okay, and then I went ahead and diced up one small yellow onion and 3 garlic cloves, and I will add that right on top. Okay, so now I'm adding in my chicken broth. I just have the reduced sodium chicken broth on hand. I will add about 2 cups of that, and then I will give everything a good stir. Make sure that everything is well combined as far as the seasoning goes. Then I will place that lid on top. Make sure you have your settings set to low, and then you want to cook for about 5 hours. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 hours. As you can see, the first thing I will do is pull out all of my chicken breast pieces. It's quite tender, so if you don't get all of it, that's fine. The point is to just get the really large pieces so that you can shred them. Alright, it is now time for the final 2 ingredients. I am using half a cup of half and half. However, you may replace that with heavy whipping cream. And I will also use an 8-ounce block of cream cheese that I will just roughly break up into chunks so that way it will melt easier. And then I will return my shredded chicken to the pot. Now I will return the lid back to my crock pot and cook for an additional 30 minutes. And my creamy crock pot white chicken chili is ready to serve. I topped mine with a little bit of shredded cheese and a dollop of sour cream. It's so delicious. You can just eat it right with a spoon, or you can use some tortilla chips to scoop it up with, or even, just some saltines. Whatever floats your boat, it'll be absolutely delicious either way. Thank you so much for watching this video, and especially if you've watched it in full. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, bye-bye.